Welcome to Auto Show. In this guide, I will show you how to fix 4K not working on your Xbox One and TV so you can enjoy true 4K gaming easily.
Fix 1. Enable 4K on Xbox One. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, go to Settings. Step 2. Open General TV and Display Options. Step 3. Set resolution to 4K UHD. Step 4. Go to Video Modes, enable Allow 4K and Allow HDR10. Fix 2. Turn on HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color on your TV. Step 1. Go to your TV settings. Step 2. Find HDMI settings picture advanced. Step 3. Enable HDMI UHD color 4K mode enhanced mode for the HDMI port your Xbox uses. Fix 3. Use the correct HDMI port. Step 1. Check your TV ports. Some only support 4K on specific HDMI ports, e.g., HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Step 2. Move the Xbox cable to a 4K supported HDMI port. Fix 4. Use high-speed HDMI cable. Step 1. Make sure you reusing a high-speed or HDMI 2.0 cable. Step 2. Replace the cable if it's damaged or older. Fix 5. Check 4K TV details on Xbox. Step 1. Go to Settings, General TV and Display Options. Step 2. Select 4K TV details. Step 3. Check which features your TV supports. 4K HDR10, 10-bit. Step 4. Follow the suggestions shown by Xbox.